can physically feel it moving and I am scared. Stop rocking, go back. Go back. Today we're taking the fam up to Mount Tambourine. We're gonna go on an adventure and hopefully have a great time. It is tricky holidaying with 6, so let's see what today brings. If this sounds interesting to you, give this video a big thumbs up because it really does support my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you get notified when we upload every Monday and Thursday. And let's head up the mountain. One thing that's not in our favor is Ed's still doing 3 sleeps a day, and we will be doing his first sleep in the car, but unfortunately he started to doze off while I was nursing him. We are going to be in the car for an hour, so I'm hoping it's going to be good, but we will see.
Getting directions to Tambourine Rainforest Skywalk.
Well, that's definitely not the boy that I thought would go to sleep on this car trip. That cheeky monkey is currently behind me blowing raspberries, while this one has nodded off. We've got another 30 minutes, so maybe he'll sleep the entire time and we'll really enjoy our time up there. I know Eddie will go to sleep once he's on my back, but that is unexpected. We've arrived and it's not what I expected. Is it what you expected?
I don't know what I was expecting.
Definitely probably not pram friendly. So I will wear Eddie and we'll go from there. But Ed's due a feed and he's just dozed off. Little Finn has woken up from his slumber, which should hopefully give us a good morning. But we're just gonna make the most of it. Pleasant drive. If you do get car sick, just be mindful of that. Let's go for our walk. Oh, very cool.
Look how big the mouth is.
I want to see that. Oh, I want to see the
Yeah, I saw the other side.
that fishy.
Okay, stop for a second.
Okay, I'm gonna get scared.
You're not gonna get scared.
So you're all done with your croissant?
Nice.
Could you put it in the bin? Good boy. No feeding any animals?
Bye-bye. We're gonna go on the rainforest walk. Zoe, just look up, babe. That's it. Okay, once again, we are doing another excursion that I didn't really look into that much, and if you are not a fan of heights, then this might not be it for you. However, the family seems to be loving it. I'm keeping my eyes up, looking at the trees, but you can see right down. Yep. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Look how beautiful that looks. We're good?
We're good.
Yeah.
We're good?
Where are you thinking of what?
I literally just said that we didn't necessarily look into the details of this one again. But I can hear a waterfall.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I can hear it. This is gonna be great.
I can hear birdies.
Yeah.
They're raised by parrots.
My strategy is to just keep looking up. It's gorgeous though. Great day for it.
Oh, it's spider.
Look up the sky.
Can you hear the waterfall? Oh, here's a nice long one. Just look up and walk. Okay? That's the trick. We are so enclosed right now. There is no way that you can fall down. Keep going, Mira.
You wanna walk? You wanna walk, buddy?
Zoe, why don't you hold Mira's hand? That's it. Well done, girls.
He wanted to have a go, and then he realised he didn't want to.
I can physically feel it moving and I am scared. A burger? Why did we do this? This is horrible, Mick. Look at the butterfly! Whee! Oh, there's another butterfly. Do you see them? In the trees over there? I like it when there is dense foliage underneath us. Keep going, girls. It's when there's more sparse foliage that sucks. Ah! I have a little... Yeah, Eddie's just grabbing my hair. Edman. Hi! Yay! Keep going. We made it. Good job. Good job. Well done. Not all of it is on the bridges. Okay, following the green arrows. So thankfully that was the only bridge. There's one more, but it's very small. I'm glad we didn't bring the pram, just because this part is rocks and hilly and there's roots of the trees and it's very beautiful, don't get me wrong, but definitely not pram friendly. So Michael's gonna have a bit of a workout today.
I don't know if I'd agree with that.
You don't think you could push a pram up here?
I think you could push a pram up here easily.
Ugh. I think the
Certainly
kids...
easier than carrying a toddler.
You got a rock. Here's the boys. Excellent. Well, we can read the lots of information of words. Okay. The giant strangler figs. Away from the edge, girls. Moreton Bay fig grows enormous size with large leaves. Look all the way up. Whoa!
Yeah!
Suspension bridge. It's just a little one. And I think we're going to see the waterfall from a different angle. Deliberate rocking of this structure is strictly prohibited. It's rocking a little bit just because the only thing that's holding it is the pole. Okay, I'm going to get to the edge because I'm brave. Okay. Don't rock it, Zoe. Okay. Stop rocking, stop rocking. Stop rocking. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go. Go, go, go. Slowly, slowly, Zoe. Thank you. Okay, this is genuinely one of the most scary things I've done. The view is great. Do I think it's worth it? Not for me. The worst thing is, the faster you move, the more it rocks. Okay, that was a great physics lesson. Okay, What have we learned about physics? The more people at the end of the suspension bridge, the more it rocks. 2. Go slowly, Zoe, because Mummy has bad knees. 3. We are on our way back to the Eco Center where we're going to get some morning tea in this beautiful rainforest. And thankfully, little Eddie Bear has fallen asleep. Hey Mick, can you take a pram on this route?
Yeah.
You could.
Single pram.
No way.
Yeah.
Nah.
Absolutely.
Maybe a travel pram.
Otherwise it would have to fit the whole track.
Yeah.
We couldn't do the double pram, that's for sure. But single pram, absolutely.
That's where we were.
Ah!
That's the one we walked on, the scary one.
Yep. And
I can
that's
smell the car park.
The car park just got some road base on it. It's very stinky. So we know that we're actually getting close to the Eco Center because of it.